Hey, welcome back to another video. Today is a nice spring morning and I'm going to show you how to take your flooring, whether it's your garage floor or your driveway, from this to this. Okay, I had an oil leak with my last van, and this is, I have another video showing you how to take oil out of the concrete. This is the dried material that I now have to just clean up. It's powder, so it all just sweeps out of here. And then I'm gonna go through these stains and with this power washer. So this is a Simpson 3700. I got it used off of OfferUp. And then really the secret sauce, or the secret ingredient, is this pressure washer accessory. So it's called a surface cleaner. It's specifically designed for cleaning surfaces. So I'm really thinking these, like oil marks, you can see my driveway, how all that black is like mold and stuff. So we've been in this house now for, let's see, 8 years, going on 8 years. And that's how long it's taken for this to get kind of black. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is just blow what's left here. You can see the powder. Before you power wash, you always want to get the debris off. Get everything, at least the surface, clean before you actually power wash it. All right, there's the new driveway. Amazing. You can see where I stopped right at the edge there. Of course, it wasn't as bad down there as it was up here. It's a little bit still wet, so it's a little dark right here, but then it dries to that white. Then you can see where I stopped right there. So that I'll do another day. And then of course, this ridge, remember, was all black coming across here. This was nasty. Yeah, everything was all caked. Here's some dry. It's, of course, dries in the sun real quick, but you can see just, it almost looks bleached. Definitely very happy with it. So a couple tips: use earplugs. I tried using noise canceling headphones and didn't really, I mean, it took the noise out, but it still, my ears felt like it was too loud. The earplugs definitely worked a lot better. It was a little more boring because of I couldn't have my music on, but it was still fun. And wear a hat, because once you get in the sun, you can get sunburned pretty quick. And out of all the techniques, the one that worked the best was just going slow, rather than going up fast and then up back and then side to side. I just went slow one time and then I didn't have to go over again. But I always went forward and then I crisscrossed, because if there's any lines or anything I missed, then the crisscross gets it. So last tip, after I used the surface cleaner, I then put the tip on and washed it. Once you get all that dirt loose, you don't want to let that dirt dry, and then it'll just like set in there again. So you want to wash it off quick before it dries. And so it's good. So hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.